Welcome, guys. So we just got here. First day on the cruise in the hallway. Welcome to our home.
Welcome. It's tight.
It is. Ooh. It is a little small, but it's nice. Look at that. Beautiful couch over here.
Oh yeah, you want the
Nice
tour?
TV.
Okay, yes, the tour. This is a king size bed. And then we got ourselves a nice little balcony and a nice view.
Nice view of the port. Open ocean.
Want to see the bathroom? And then I'll show you the best part. Ta-da!
Holy room.
Holy little shower.
Just so you guys can see.
That's neat.
Now what's the best part?
The best part is that, fun fact, you get to bring 2 bottles of wine when you go on a cruise. These 2, my parents are also on this boat. They carried on for us. And this is gonna be some nice wine.
You know what this is?
This is some nice reposado. It's tequila. Get a little mini fridge. You want pineapple?
Cheers.
Cheers. Woo!
We're out here. It's bright. Sun is shining.
We're at sea.
Fit check, fit check. Oh, you got spillage already.
Oh, this is the French onion soup.
Let's see it. Jack Sparrow.
Yo, Trippy.
I'm kind of warm.
Good morning from Catalina. The ship just docked. We're gonna take the little ferry boats over to the island.
Good morning. We're in Avalon. This is the first day on land. We've got the Navigator of the Seas over there. My dad and Rick are in line to get us some golf carts to go exploring. Oh my god, he's so cute.
We were on that little water slide yesterday.
There's a snow-covered rock. Right.
Oh, that's not snow. It's a poop-covered rock.
Tell me about the island.
It's quite nice. On the right, you'll see a cliff. Plenty of houses and boats to look at.
The little cart goes toot toot. Not too close to the red ledge.
I am now the navigator of the seas.
Are you?
Yes.
Ooh, pretty.
You look down on your left, that is the old casino. Now
Let's go put 50 on black.
Oh, Rick.
What pirate?
Yo ho, yo
Where are
ho.
the cannons, sir?
We never had any rum. It's tequila.
Oh, that's why. That could be you.
Oh my god, you can see Garibaldi down there. The bright orange fish are Garibaldi.
It's the state fish.
Yeah, you can see them. Oh, we might have to go walk down there. Just had a great day at Catalina. Now we're just enjoying some sunshine. We got the old casino.
Sun coming through the clouds.
Beautiful.
It's like Jurassic World.
It does.
Goodbye, Catalina.
Are we moving?
It's Wednesday.
Wednesday, my dudes.
It's Wednesday, my dudes. Welcome to Ensenada. The locals are friendly. Oh, those are the seals.
Where are we?
We're in Mexico. That's Ricky.
Where are we?
Canada.
Hey, Dad. Where are we?
And we're in Ensenada.
Oh, somewhere.
Out in the country. We're in Barstow, California. Winery.
We're in Barstow, California.
Barstow.
Center of the city, downtown. You don't imagine, guys. Too much party, too much party.
Not enough party.
Where are we at?
Ricardo's.
We're at wine tasting? We are at Don Lupe. So we're just waiting in line for our tasting. They've got all kinds of like olive oils and jams and stuff over here. Dylan's buying a citrus olive oil. It makes a great salad dressing for his mother.
Dear mother.
For his mother. Honey.
Oh, yes.
Nice. We have wine. We have wine. Woo! What a cute little place. Oh, mi amigo. You are so cute. You make me miss my kitty.
Tucson?
What? I thought we're in Barstow.
Tucson.
Oh. Oh, they're smoking something.
Is the most dangerous stuff?
Ooh. Wait, this is so beautiful.
How dare you talk about Barstow like that?
All right. Give me your phone.
To make one?
Yes.
It's kind of temecula.
Okay.
You know, the water is kind of
Ah,
on it.
okay.
But they are not sweet, they are fruities.
Fruity. There we go. That's the word. I'm sorry. Great.
Yeah, our ones that are not fruity. Steps in the end, there's a tricky.
Into the cave.
Guys, there's a tricky step in there.
It smells moist. It smells like.
Ooh, kind of smells like.
It smells like the log ride.
Smell like what?
It smells like the log ride. It's a. Sister. Oh my god. We're like underground.
Little bit of wine. The smasher. The big smasher.
And I've got the good stuff in here.
The good stuff.
We got a blend.
This is the first wine we produce here on
That's
the
what he
corner.
says.
It's a bigger glass.
Oh,
The
yes.
name of
Technically. Cheers.
the name of the bottle is called Tres de Tres.
It's a video.
Oh yeah! Cheers! Cheers to all of you!
Woo! Mom got a cheers. Cheers! That's a lot of booze in there, Kelsey.
Is this real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Look up to the sky and see.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Oh, I didn't know we were
Oh,
filming.
oh, that's nice. I was gonna say, have you ever drank wine out of a plastic cup down a dirt road
On a bus.
on a bus in Mexico?
Who's got that white girl coffee?
Oh,
I do.
It's good. It's Starbucks wine. Just kidding. It's better than that. Please.
Let's go! Ready!
The final countdown.
Yo, we need more people like Freddie.
Did you make it on board?
Liquid gold!
Oh, it is gold. Holy water. What is it? Do you know what it is?
Let me smell it. Oh, tequila.
We just need a small snack.
And we are off. Walk the plank, my friend.
Yes, we're going to walk the
Rick, you're gonna have a good time tonight. We're gonna go party.
talking about?
We're about to go party.
These things aren't coming down.
Dude, this is so stoic. It's Thursday, my dudes. It's Thursday, my dudes. Oh!
Keep it going, keep it going.
Goodbye, Thursday.